Now the topic before us is how increased foreign exchange supply affects exchange rate. We will understand this concept with the help of an example. Suppose we go to the market to purchase onion. In the market, 100 kg of onion is present for sale, and say its price is 1 US dollar per kg. Next day, suppose its supply increases and from 100 kg the supply in the market has increased to 150 kg. What will happen? It is quite possible that when the supply has increased, then the price of that good is likely to decrease, other things remaining the constant. We are not here taking into consideration the demand and other facts. The demand and other things will remain the same. Then it is likely that the price of onion per kg may decrease because the supply has increased from 100 to 150. So the price of onion is likely to fall, will fall. In the same way, when the foreign exchange supply increases, what will happen to the exchange rate? This is to find out. First is why we demand or why increased foreign exchange supply happens. Why there is increase in the supply of foreign exchange? Why there is increase in supply of foreign currency? Suppose we are in India and here the currency is Indian rupee, and say other country is US where the currency is US dollar. Now US dollar is foreign currency for us. Now what are the reasons that there may be increase in foreign exchange supply? The reasons for increase in supply, what are the reasons? It may be possible that exports have increased. We are from India. Suppose we were earlier sending exports, say 100 kg of goods to US dollar. We are here taking only example. Now our exports have increased 150 kg. Exports have increased from 100 to 150 kg. So when there is increase in exports, in return we will get US dollars. So the supply of foreign exchange will increase. Next, suppose in India there is improvement in political climate. We are taking only example. As compared to earlier, if there is stability in political climate, government is stable political climate, what will happen? When there is a stable political climate in any country, then the foreign investors come to make investment in that country. So there is inflow of foreign exchange, which result into increase in foreign exchange supply. So when the atmosphere in the country, investment opportunities are good, or the government adopts favorable investment policies, which are favorable to the investors abroad, then the foreign exchange supply in the country increases. It may be also possible that, as you know, that every government has foreign exchange reserves. If the government of the country sells forex reserves they hold, what will happen? The supply of foreign exchange will increase. So these are the certain reasons why foreign exchange supply increases. So now we will understand the impact of increase in foreign exchange supply. If the supply foreign exchange increases, what effects it has on exchange rate? Exchange rate means value of a currency in relation to other currency. That is how much of foreign currency we can buy with 1 unit of domestic currency, or how much of domestic currency we will have to pay to purchase 1 unit of other currency. Let us understand it what we have said. Suppose the value of $1 at present is 82.83 Indian rupee. Exchange rate means that we will have to pay 82.83 Indian rupee to get 1 unit of US dollar. This is exchange rate. So we are now understanding this concept with the help of a diagram. This is OX is X axis, OY is Y axis. On OX we will write quantity of foreign exchange supplied. On Y axis we will write exchange rate, that is the value of foreign currency in relation to Indian currency. As you know that demand curve is downward sloping, DD is demand curve which is downward sloping, SS is supply curve. So here the equilibrium point is E and OQ is the quantity supplied at exchange rate R. So when there is increase in supply, what happens? When there is increase in supply, this supply curve shifts to the right and the supply curve becomes S1 S1. So what happens? Supply has increased from OQ to OQ1. What it has resulted into? It has resulted into decrease in exchange rate. Here the earlier exchange rate was OR, now it has decreased to OR1. Supply of foreign exchange has increased, exchange rate has decreased. What it means? Suppose it was earlier 83 Indian rupee. That is, earlier to get $1 we had to pay 83. But as the supply of US dollar or foreign currency has increased, the exchange rate has decreased to say 80. What it means? It means that there is appreciation of domestic currency. How it has happened? Earlier, to get $1 we were paying 83 rupees. But now to get $1 we have to pay only 80 rupees. So it is appreciation of domestic currency. It also means depreciation of foreign currency. How depreciation of foreign currency? Earlier, the residents of USA were getting 83 rupee for 1 US dollar, but now they are getting only 80 rupee. Earlier, if they were buying 100 goods at the rate 83, they were paying only $100. If they were purchasing 100 goods at the rate of 83 or 1 US dollar, they were paying only 100 US dollars. But to get the same 100 goods, the price of the goods is same 83. In Indian rupee, the price is same 83. But the value of goods is 83. But they will have to pay 8,300, in other words, Indian rupee. But now the value of 1 US dollar is only 80. So they will have to make more payment in US dollars. So it is depreciation of foreign currency. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.